Whenever you're programming a new part, testing your toolpath for collisions and gouging is a necessity. Testing and adjusting toolpaths can take a lot of time, and it might lose you money on small production runs. With CIMCO Machine Simulation, you can simulate your post-processed NC code before you bring it to your NC machine. Catch collisions around tight turns. Check if the holder collides with the part. Make sure your tool clears fixtures, or notice cinematic errors that need correction. You can reliably see tool changes in your toolpath and make sure approaches and exits don't cause problems. With Machine Simulation, you can import a 3D model of your NC machine directly into the program to add even more accuracy to your simulations. Cut your testing time in half and finally take the stress out of collision detection with CIMCO Machine Simulation.